So this is the ninth experiment, which is triggers, to demonstrate the working of triggers. A database trigger is a procedural code that is automatically executed in response to certain events on a particular table or a view in a database. The trigger is mostly used for maintaining the integrity of the information on the database. So whenever some user is trying to access the database, if he is not required to access that information, triggers are used for the following. First, we will create the following tables here. Create a course code, course name, syllabus, and last number we have given, and the table has been created. Select from the course, and we have selected the following. So we've got the following tables. Then we have included the fees paid in this: roll number, fees paid, date, check number, bank name, remarks, amount. We have inserted the following details into the table, and we can see the when we select from fees paid, we can the following details. Then in inquiry number, we have to name, course code, sheet. All this has to be added in the table. We have added, and we can see the following. Select from inquiries, we can see the following details have been added here. Create a trigger to check the validity of course code. Should be of 2 digits, cannot be less than 10 or greater than 99. Before a row is inserted in course table, so we have given a made of trigger here. Create or replace trigger T153 before insert on course. For each row, when new course are less than 10 or new course code greater than 99, begin raise application error. It will raise and it will show invalid value for course code, and the trigger will be created. When we give that, if we run the code, and it will show the following value. Create a trigger which does not allow any DML operation over the inquiry table if the name of the user is student1. So we will create a trigger here T20 to 54 before insert or update or delete an inquiry. For each row, when name equal to student1, begin raise application error. So we can we have created a trigger was created here. Update inquiry set name equal to student1, where inquiry number we have given the following. Update inquiry set name equal to student, where inquiry number. So we got the error at that level, and it will show that following message. Create a trigger that allows no insert operation on the fees paid table when amount is less than 10,000. We have created the trigger here again. When we give the following 12, it will show the following trigger. Create a trigger to ensure no insert operation to be allowed in an inquiry table when the inquiry date is about 25 August 17. So we have created a trigger here. Create or replace trigger T4454 before insert on inquiry for each row. When new inquiry date less than 20 above more than 25th August 17, it will raise the following error. So we got the output here. It will show the following error. Sixth is create a trigger of which does not allow an update operation in an inquiry table whenever the old value of the update statement is not equal to the old value in the table. So we have created the trigger here for the following, and when we run the code, we will get the following T353 error in it, and it will show the message error during execution of the trigger. The seventh question is create a trigger to ensure that no insert operation is allowed in fees paid table when the average of the fees paid amount is above 50,000. So here's the query we have created. It will show the message cannot insert as limit exceeded, and it will raise that application error 216. So when we run the code, it will show error at line 1, cannot insert as limit exceeded. At system T653 line 6, it will show the following error. So the above queries have been executed as per the requirements, and the output has been verified. So this was 9th program showcasing the use of triggers. Thank you.